I'm so excited. Thanks for having me. So many of my clients come to me and they're like, oh, sorry about my skin. And I'm like, why are you saying sorry for your skin? The reality is we've all got something on our skin. We've all got something we're trying to fix. Hi, I'm Jack Cail and this is my Mecca skin. This is my nighttime skincare routine. I love to do this just to make myself feel a little bit special. I have struggled with acne in the past, so I find doing this sort of keeps my skin really nice and smooth and keeps the acne away. So to get started, obviously I need to take my makeup off. So I really like to use Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I'm a makeup artist, so I'm removing people's makeup all the time. And I've found that because it's like quite emollient and oily, I feel like it's the only thing that really takes makeup off, especially if you wear like a lot of eyeliner, mascara and full coverage. And you just want to apply it all over the skin, just a very small amount. The first time I used this, I went a bit ham and I looked like a crazy oil slick. And I even use this to clean makeup brushes sometimes. I never wear eyeliner, so when I would wear eyeliner, I feel like it would never come off and I was almost wearing it for like the week, even though I was still scrubbing. But then I found this and now it literally just takes everything off. I do a lot of massaging, I don't know why, but I just feel like at night time when I'm getting ready for bed, I literally sometimes in front of the mirror for like 30 minutes just rubbing away. So we've applied the balm and really massaged it into the skin. So what we need to do now is use water to remove that balm. You can see my sort of skin concerns now. I do get redness when I'm, taking off makeup because my skin can be a little bit sensitive. That's not really my concern. My concern is more these scars that I try and cover with makeup sometimes. I'm pretty happy with my skin now. As I said, I used to be like way too embarrassed to even leave the house with it, with no makeup on. But I think it's just all about embracing what you've got. So I feel super fresh, all the makeup is gone. Does my hair look good? So I love to scrub my skin, especially because my concern is texture. So I have gotten in trouble in the past because I've scrubbed way too much. But I actually found EXFOLIKATE. I find that this is like a hybrid of an exfoliator and a cleanser. I feel like I'm scrubbing my face every day, but I'm actually not stripping it too much. What I like to do with EXFOLIKATE is I like to rub it into my skin before applying any water or anything. And I like to sort of massage this into my skin. So I feel like EXFOLIKATE makes it feel like I've given it a really good scrub without actually drying it out or anything. What I like to do now is then add water. EXFOLIKATE lathers up a little bit. When I have products that are thick and then they lather, I always apply them dry and then go in and add water. So cleanser's on, water's on, it's lathered up. That's when we go in with our FOREO. This sort of makes me feel like I'm getting like a celebrity facial every night. You can massage and cleanse your face with it. I'm all about massaging the skin and it kind of feel like it massages my cheekbones. It links to your phone. So we're gonna start with cleansing mode. We're gonna do this for 60 seconds and I'm on a intensity level of 8 and I'm obsessed with this. Not only do I feel like I'm getting a facial, the texture of my skin is super improved. I love like playing, really rubbing products in. So this is like my best friend now. We finished our cleansing mode and now we're gonna do just like a super quick facial. You can do eyes on the prize, you can do nothing but neck and contour crazy. I'm doing contour crazy. It actually shows you exactly what you need to do.
Place the device with pressure on the middle of the chin, then gently place on other pressure points around the mouth and across the cheek. Next, slowly glide the device from the chin outwards towards the base of the ear.
This is my favorite part of the night. It goes for 4 minutes and I'm obsessed. Skin is feeling super, super clean and fresh. So I'm going in with retinol. I feel like retinol like reveals a new layer of skin for me. When I first used this, I definitely applied way too much of it. You literally just need the tiniest bit. And you can even put it on like your hot spots. So my hot spots are like my acne scars. And then like spread from there. Just feels super like juicy and bouncy after it. Loves it. This is like my skin bestie. I'm obsessed with oils on my skin. I'm obsessed with like obviously doing a really deep cleanse and a like massage and then like sort of like filling it with oils and serums. Like I'm obsessed with the feeling of oil on my skin, but it's always broken me out. This one doesn't break me out. I'm obsessed. And I don't know why, like obviously dewy skin's really in right now and I love how this makes my skin look. Like obviously it makes my skin feel amazing, but I literally stare in the mirror. I am a glowy goddess right now. I use this on clients too because, I don't know, just looks super like supple and bouncy. So I'm going in with the eye cream now. I love this Mario Badescu Glycolic eye cream. I started using this stuff when I heard that Kylie Jenner used it. I only do this before bed because I just feel like I want to give my under eyes like a nice like drink of water before bed. And just before bed, I love just a little bit of lip balm. That's it. That's my nighttime skincare routine. We're done. Loves it.